Hey, what's going on? It's the Bearded One back at you again. New video. So in today's video, we talk about something that a lot of people have been wanting to know about. That's interest rates going down. So if you don't know, the Feds are actually meeting this month, in the month of September 17th, 18th, and discuss going down on interest rates.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So definitely want to stay tuned in this video. We're going to tell you exactly what's going to happen once those rates go down.
Yeah.
All right. Be right back. All right, so let's get into today's video. My name is Maurice Murphy. I'm licensed for the realtor, and I have Miss Shauna Thompson.
Mortgage broker with Future Home.
Absolutely. So now, if you, like I said before, it's predicted that interest rates are going to go down. Even the Feds have said themselves that maybe 0.25%, maybe 0.5%. So we really don't know how much it's going to be, but they're predicting that interest rates are going to go down. Now, how is that going to affect the market once that does happen?
Oh yeah. So essentially, we'll see it again, but we'll see that once rates come down, what happens to the demand? The positive demand. Everybody's going to come back to the market. Demand is going to go up, right? So when demand goes up, what happens to the housing price?
Well,
they go up. So there's really no time or right time. We're waiting for rates to go down. We're waiting all these things, but when the rates go down, prices are likely to go up on homes, causing an influx of things. So if rates come down, everybody's going to come back to the market. Prices are going to go up. You're going to pay more for the home then versus if you were paying it now.
Gotcha. So what would be your advice for someone who's actually thinking about considering buying a house right this moment today?
Buy it right this moment.
Buy it right this moment.
Let's go. Buy it right this moment. Because there's so many options, right? So if you buy now, you might have a higher interest rate. But your home, you'll get it at a good price, right? We're in a decent market, good price for home. And then once the rates do come down, you have the ability to refinance, but you'll already be in your home.
Exactly.
Right? So you don't have to go out there and compete with everybody else that waited until rates came down. Remember when we were bidding wars and everybody was going crazy? That's what we're going to see likely to get.
Now, here's my question. Do you think that since we're going into like the slower season for real estate, which is the fall and winter, do you think that'll have any effect on even the interest rate do go down?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that it won't be as slow as we're used to.
Gotcha.
You know, we have new construction communities that are offering great interest rates. We have the rates that are coming down. We've had people that when rates come down, it helps the affordability. So people are going to start kind of creeping back in. We might not see it all at once, but I think people will start creeping back in. And a lot of people that are waiting for the rates to come down that are already in existing homes, they might want to either sell or refinance their home and to get into something a little bit new. So I think it'll come back to life and you won't be as slow, but it won't be like crazy busy. But I think some people will come back.
Well,
that's
I guess. So the bottom line, what you're saying is, if you can buy, go ahead and get that house right this moment.
Yeah.
Get in touch with you so we can go ahead and get the paperwork started. So you can go ahead and get in your new home.
In your new home. And then we'll figure out your plan when the rates do come down.
All right. Well, you guys heard it first. I haven't said it. I've said it before. I'll say it again. Rates are coming down. I predicted this last year. Rates would probably potentially come down. And now here we are looking at rates coming down. Yes. Now, really, last quick question. I've heard a rumor, and it's just a rumor, that rates may come down. Possibly. Even they may fluctuate after the election. And I've heard this. They may go back up, or they may come back down even more. But we really don't know. So it tells us that we need to really buy. Go ahead and buy now, because after November, rates goes up. And then we could be...
Yeah, we don't know what's going to happen. Again, I referenced COVID. I mean, a lot of people wish they would have bought 4%, 2.5% to 3%. So don't be like that person in COVID. When we were waiting, you're like, oh, I want to wait until after the election. What happens if rates go up? It's a risk. You have to take it.
And rates went back up.
And rates went back up. Triple.
There you go. Exactly. Well, you heard it first. So that's all we have for today. How can people reach out to you?
Sure. So on Instagram, it's Shauna Home Loans, and my email is Shauna@future.loans.
All right. Well, you guys know who I am. I am the Bearded One. We'll talk to you in the next video.